Imagine this. A single, historic project fueled by $500 billion is set to reshape our future, where tech giants like OpenAI, SoftBank, and Oracle join forces with the US government to build an AI backbone that could define the next era of technological supremacy. Could this unprecedented initiative, reminiscent of the space race, propel America into the realm of artificial general intelligence, or is China already closing the gap? Stay tuned to uncover how Project Stargate is sparking a global race for AI dominance. We all know that AI is transforming our world. Now, imagine an AI project so ambitious that an entire nation dedicates a portion of its funds and resources to create something monumental, something that will shape the future of artificial intelligence, boost the economy, and ensure technological dominance. That's exactly what the United States is undertaking. The Trump administration has recently launched Project Stargate, a $500 billion AI initiative aimed at achieving AI supremacy. But what is it exactly? And why is OpenAI collaborating with industry giants like SoftBank and Oracle, as well as the US government? Let's explore why this initiative has garnered significant media attention, why it's a top priority for the US, and what it means for all of us. It's clear that artificial intelligence represents the modern equivalent of the space race. While the Apollo program aimed to land on the moon and the Manhattan Project focused on establishing global power, Project Stargate is about securing dominance in the AI era. This has now become a top national priority. The US is no longer in a position to catch up. Instead, the goal is to create a national AI backbone that ensures the US remains at the forefront of AI development, preventing it from falling behind countries like China. We've already witnessed China's rapid advancements in robotics and the development of AI models like DeepSeek, which are on par with OpenAI's GPT-4, but at a fraction of the cost. Training DeepSeek only costs $5.5 million, compared to the hundreds of millions required for Meta's latest Llama model and billions for GPT and Gemini models. Essentially, they are achieving results comparable to the leading models developed by OpenAI and Meta. So what exactly is Project Stargate? Who are the main individuals involved? And what are they working on? Project Stargate unites major tech companies such as OpenAI, SoftBank, and Oracle, backed by $500 billion in funding to establish a foundation for AI development. However, Stargate isn't aimed at a singular objective, like landing on the moon or developing a weapon for global dominance. Instead, its focus is on building essential infrastructure for an AI ecosystem that guarantees the United States remains at the forefront of AI innovation for many years ahead. In a significant announcement, OpenAI has declared that it will invest $100 billion to enhance AI infrastructure immediately. This funding is intended to ensure American leadership in AI, generate hundreds of thousands of jobs, and provide substantial economic advantages globally. The announcement also disclosed that the initial equity investors in Project Stargate include SoftBank, OpenAI, Oracle, and MGX. SoftBank and OpenAI are at the forefront of this initiative, with SoftBank managing financial aspects, while OpenAI takes charge of operations. Key technology partners for Stargate consist of ARM, Microsoft, NVIDIA, Oracle, and OpenAI. Oracle, NVIDIA, and OpenAI will collaborate closely to develop and manage this cutting-edge computing system. The primary objective, to advance AI, especially in the quest for artificial general intelligence, AGI. What we have here is a cohesive ecosystem of partners collaborating effectively. The financiers, infrastructure providers like Microsoft and Oracle, and the computing power from OpenAI, NVIDIA, and ARM create a well-connected network, with each entity gaining from the others. However, one major concern is how the US government plans to regulate and support AI initiatives. New AI-related policies, regulatory oversight, and ethical considerations must be addressed. Without a well-defined framework, there's a risk of monopolization, data misuse, and AI-driven economic disruptions. Another critical aspect is the role of cloud computing and energy infrastructure. AI advancements require massive computational resources. While NVIDIA and Oracle play a key role, there needs to be an emphasis on how they plan to scale compute power, optimize energy consumption, and deploy sustainable energy sources. Oracle's Texas data centers, designed to operate off-grid, are a major piece of this puzzle. China is not sitting idly by either. The country has been heavily investing in AI infrastructure, developing AI chips, and promoting open-source AI models. While the US is pouring billions into Stargate, China is countering with aggressive funding strategies, self-sufficient AI models, and talent acquisition programs. This back-and-forth dynamic adds another layer of urgency to the AI race. Regarding AGI, the script mentions its pursuit but lacks an in-depth assessment of its feasibility. What milestones must be achieved before AGI becomes a reality? Experts argue that achieving AGI requires exponential progress in compute power, training efficiency, and algorithmic breakthroughs. The risks are equally important. Misalignment of AGI goals, ethical concerns, and control mechanisms must be considered. Security risks also demand attention. While Stargate aims to strengthen national security, the potential for AI weaponization is a growing concern. Autonomous weapons, AI-driven cyber threats, and surveillance applications could create new global tensions. Proper safeguards and policies will be essential to ensuring AI is used responsibly. So what is the ultimate goal of Project Stargate? It goes beyond mere AI innovation. The US is not making this investment solely for technological advancement. It's a strategic effort to maintain an edge as other countries, particularly China, are quickly narrowing the gap. The stakes are incredibly high. Stargate has three primary goals. First, it represents America's strategy for achieving AI dominance and the pursuit of artificial general intelligence, AGI. However, it's important to note that AI is not solely about software. It heavily depends on robust hardware as well. This is why collaborations with companies like Oracle and NVIDIA are vital. Oracle will provide the data centers, while NVIDIA will supply the necessary chips. The main challenge lies in compute power and energy, necessitating a significant partnership between software and hardware sectors. To address this, they are also working on local off-grid energy solutions to support the large data centers being built in Texas by Oracle. Secondly, Stargate also aims to democratize AI infrastructure, allowing companies of all sizes to create AI tools without facing exorbitant upfront costs. The third and perhaps most crucial point concerns national security. If the US manages its AI supply chain effectively, it can lessen its dependence on foreign technology, making it more challenging for competitors to keep pace. In reality, this supply chain encompasses not just infrastructure but also the essential element of human capital. The education system is preparing for this pivotal moment. Universities and colleges are now offering degrees specifically focused on AI to train the next generation of engineers and researchers. Prestigious institutions like Stanford, MIT, and Carnegie Mellon are introducing AI-centered curriculums to address the growing demand. Enrollment in AI programs is skyrocketing as companies such as Meta, OpenAI, and Google rush to find skilled talent. One thing is certain, the AI race is just getting started, and we all have a front-row seat to watch it unfold. Project Stargate is more than just another AI project. It represents a struggle for technological supremacy. The real question now is not if AI will influence the future, but who will wield that influence. With China advancing at an extraordinary rate and the US striving to solidify its AI infrastructure, we are witnessing one of the most significant races of the 21st century. What are your thoughts? Will the US keep its edge, or is China catching up more quickly than we think? Share your opinions in the comments below. Remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss an update on AI developments. See you in the next video.